Ki doktor na katanat pynroi ya Koit ka Khiah South West Garo Hills haka shipau tarik Nailur kila pynlong ya ka lympung jinghikai ya ka Koit ka Khiah haki jingmut jingpyrkhat Mental Health Prokram shnong Chengkompara na ka bynta ki samla-lud bat ki sama shynrang bat kynthei shaphang ka jingma kaba sdang phriang bat rung mynta haki jingmut jingpyrkhat jong ki babun ki samla-lud bat ki samla Iada Rai Iap no namar kila kadang bat hakani ka selap perthei hakani ka lympung lawan bynta bat sengap daki khana skul nakani ka than kinong hikai bat nong kran hakani ka kynthei kilong ki doktor ki pulit kinong penyat skul kilong kaba bat long kemi bapau khmat ki bala batai haki samla halor ka jingma ban dekhat no ya ka jingim tang namar ba ki akendu jinge snokut lat bat basha yalam bakala haki khubor ba bonjat baki yo naki social media bat internet kani ka lympung bahikai ru kumnu ban Iada nakum kita ki jinglung khom jingmut ki ba khring bat yalam shaka jing penyap no yalade ya kani kasni la rakhe ru kum ka Taiew Iada na ka jing thrang ban penyap no yalade World Suicide Prevention Day u Superintendent of Police Vikas Kumar ulalong ukongsan hakani ka lympung ubala batai bandum sngap nisha skor ya ki jing kenshot jang ki social media ki ba penbet live hojat ya ki samla ban shim ne dekhat no yala ka jing im tang namar ba kimyo ya ki jing ang nut ba ki kwa hir ula batai da ka baong ki samla hakani ka juk kilong ki batlat bat ki banget bit ya ki khubor thamula ki ba ki yoi haki social media ula kentu ya ki samla ban shania halaka bor perkhan ban shania haki kemi ki kaba ki nong hikai ki nong yalam niam haba ki akendu ya ki jing e ni ki yo sngo ya ki jing pasyau ki ba penslur ban penyap no yaladi kiwei pat ki balakaran hakani ka lympung kilong Dr. AK Marak BDO Purakhasia C&RD block tapos Marak SEO South West Garo Hills, Dr. Denisha Momin, Medical Superintendent, Ampati Civil Hospital, Dr. Samson Sangma, M&HO South West Garo Hills. Ki khana school ki balawan sngap kilong, naka C&RD Secondary School, Ampati Government Higher Secondary School, Cool Shadow Secondary School, Chengkompara Secondary School, Mothers Union Secondary School. Lapan long ru eki jinga ko ba bonjat na kabanta ki khana school halor ki mat bat ki phang ba pher hakani ka Taiew
easy because you have come here at the same time the teachers who are here and the students so it's an important at the same time burning issue which has been taken up on this World Suicide Prevention Day. It is important to understand that this suicide has been taken up very seriously, very seriously by the government, the central government, state government, everyone. And when government takes anything seriously, they come out with policies. So, government has come up with mental health care policy in 2014. After a long-drawn study on which world has been pondering upon, United States have attention on that. After that, the government came up.
IPS and our Superintendent of Police, South West Garo Hills Ampati, BDO Purakhasia Block, Dr. AK Marak, SCSO Ampati, Sri TCS Marak, Madam Dr. Denisha Momin, Superintendent, Medical Superintendent of Ampati Civil Hospital, all the students and all the teachers and the principals, the ashas and various individuals who have gathered here. On this occasion, I welcome each and every one of you. As we all know about this occasion,
our special guest, Sub-Divisional School Education Officer, Shillong, Dr. Samson from the English office, teachers from various schools, students, and all who are gathered here. A very good afternoon to everyone. In this World Suicide Prevention Day for today, the theme has been given as changing the narrative on suicide. When we look at the theme, we can see that it suggests a thoughtful and compassionate approach. A different kind of approach towards this social menace, this social stigma that we are facing right now, especially amongst the youth. And we see a lot of incidences in our district too. Surely, as we come together like this, things will change, if not rapidly, at least step by step. If we take such measures, we will surely see results in the near future. What we need to understand
social media, reality of social media, suicide thank you, sir. sir, video causes of suicide, warning signs of suicide, key messages on suicide prevention. Sir, thank you, sir. Message on mental health. Motivational Sir, SDDO from Office of District Education Office, Chengkompara program